Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show how to crochet the Cabbage Patch stitch pattern. To begin, chain 35, or any multiple of 4 plus 3. Skip the first 4 chains, and in the 5th chain, make 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 3 chains, and in the next chain, make 4 double crochet stitches again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And skip the next 3 chains, and as before, make 4 double crochet stitches. And 4. Continue with this pattern across the row. Here's what the first row looks like. At the end, skip 1 chain and make 1 double crochet in the very last chain. You can continue on with the same yarn color, or before you finish the double crochet, switch over to another color yarn. Chain 3 and turn. For this row, we'll be making cross stitches. Take a look at the 4 double crochet from the previous row. We're going to make a double crochet in the 4th one farthest from the hook. And then we'll do a chain 2. And then we'll go back to the first double crochet from the group of 4 and make a double crochet in it, crossing over the other double crochet like this. Now we'll move on to the next group of 4. Make a double crochet in the 4th stitch that is farthest from the hook, and then do a chain 2. Then go back to the first double crochet closest to the hook and make a double crochet in it, working over the double crochet we just made. And we'll do this again. Take note, the tighter you make your first double crochet stitch, the puffier or more bobble-like it will make your 4 double crochet stitches from the row below. If you make this first double crochet rather loosely, it will make your double crochet stitches from below less 3-dimensional. Continue this across the row. At the end, make 1 double crochet in the turning chain. You can switch over to a new color if you wish at this time. Then chain 3 and turn your work. In each of those chain 2s from the crossed stitches, we'll make 4 double crochet stitches. 2, 3, and 4. And then in the next chain 2, make 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, make 1 double crochet in the turning chain as before, changing colors if you wish. Chain 3 and turn. This is the row of cross stitches again. Start with a double crochet in the 4th stitch, chain 2, and make another double crochet in the 1st stitch. Then move on to the next set. Double crochet in the 4th stitch, chain 2, then go back and double crochet in the 1st stitch again. Continue repeating the 4 double crochet row along with the cross stitch row for as long as you wish. And that's how I crochet the Cabbage Patch stitch pattern.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.